Yeah, coming again, coming again, coming again, coming again, coming again, coming again, coming again. So let's quickly rush up the last this. If I now show you the other this I wanted to show you. Yeah. Please, Efrabale, take time to study this thing. First of all, I'm not saying you should go live directly, please. I'm not telling you to go live. I'm not telling you to go live directly. That is demonstrate this thing, demonstrate it, and when you demonstrate, when you demonstrate it, at least if you can increase your this thing like 3 times, your account or this or for 3 times or thereabout, please don't rush. Don't rush. This thing will you are not using any indicator so that you are not confused about the market. It's a pattern. You are trading a pattern. What you need is just QML. If you see a QML for your entry pattern, if you are going to use Fibonacci, everybody here know you get information about Fibonacci. We are no longer straight to Fibonacci. You understand? Now you are still going to use just your pullback, all those pullback stuff, flag. If you see head and shoulder pattern after the liquidity grab, because it normally forms. If you see it, use it. There must be a pullback after you wait for a pullback. That pullback is your confirmation. Don't rush. When you see a liquidity grab, don't rush, please. I'm warning you now. Not say this is a I'm saying that when market come down, it trail off the low. When it goes up, it trail off the high. You go and enter this in straight. No, no. You wait. You always wait for a confirmation. That makes you to be not to be a crowd trader. That makes you to be a professional. You trade with the institutions. You are trading in their own line. When they sell, you sell. When they buy, you buy. That is what you are doing. You are using their method. You can see here, if you watch here carefully, market opens here, it went up, it grabs all the high of this place, it came down. You understand? The same thing happened here. Market accumulates. Can you see this accumulate? It ranges, it grab up all this high of this place, it came down, it grabbed up the low of this place. At the end of the day, what happens? It closes upward. So it happens now and then. You see what happened here. You see what happened here. You see it. It came down after I grabbed all the liquidity of this place. It came down here. That is daily intraday. But me, I want to be using my own as just weekly. At the start, you just have to position yourself. It makes you to position yourself ready. You know what will happen ahead of next week. You are not trading blindly anymore. You are no indicator, no this. Just set yourself that when you see the liquidity grab and the manipulation will give you the right direction where the market will go. Simple, very, very simple. Very, very simple. What you just need is just those entry pattern. Where are you going to enter your trade at the pullback? After you have confirmed from that pullback of that to the liquidity grab, where are you going to enter your trade? You see what happens here? He grabbed the low of this place, market goes up. You see it. This is on Wednesday. You can see what happens here. See it here. Market moves up, it came down. That's manipulation. It grabbed the liquidity of this previous low. Its market moves up. Can you see it? It moved up. It moved almost about up to the close on Friday. We got 244 pips. Gold is the most favorite for this thing. I'm focusing on volatile market. For me, you can do pounds. See pounds. See pounds. See pounds. See pounds. See pounds. This Sunday, can you see it? This is what happened on Sunday. Market comes down, it grabs the liquidity there. You can see what happened. In both ways. It grabbed the market in both ways. Can you see it? It pulls down, pulls back, pulls down. As it grabbed all the low of this place, it went upward straight. See the pulls back to the distance. See the pull back to it. After it grabbed it, So you are going to use your 1 minute to scale down. You see, at 62, my oh God, 62 Fibonacci, see what happens. It went up. Hmm? You see, on Thursday, he grabbed the liquidity of this place. He moves up. After this accumulation, he moves up. He grabbed the liquidity of those areas. Then he descend down. See the pullback. See the pullback. So many pullbacks. After the liquidity grab. He grabbed the low of this place. It moves up. Can you see it? This is a smaller. You must time the days. Those reversal happens a lot. You must time yourself. Time yourself. You don't need to be trading every day. You don't need to glue your eyes to the screen. No, anymore. I'm telling you. You don't need to do all those things. This is on Friday. The liquidity grab happens right from Friday. On Sunday, it continues. It continues. It went up, it triggered off this thing, it came down to the opening price. It went after, it came down on Tuesday. It grabbed all the lows of Monday. It went up. You must be smart enough. You see here, since Friday, see what happens on Friday. See what happened on Friday. After accumulation, it went up. See a pullback to it. You enter yourself. Till Sunday again, it continued downward. Because market was previously going upward. Friday, it reversed. Friday is my favorite. To stroke Monday. Those are the days I'm targeting. Now, see gold. Every month. Another opportunity for you again. If you don't want to be trading on this, if only once you want to be trading in a month. Only once you want to be trading in a month. See what happens every month. Let's go back. Let's go to the 1st of December. What happened 1st of December? See it. Liquidity grab. This is 30th of November. From here, from that place, from this place, my brother, to this place, to this high, is almost about 1,036 pips. 1,036 pips. At the end of that, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 days. Because we got to the end of that November. This is 30th of November. Let's go. I want to show you the historical performance of this thing. Let's go to the end of November, the beginning of November, stroke end of October. This is October 30th. What happened here? Liquidity grab happens on 29. Liquidity grab. Market pulls back to it. 30th of October, market moves up. My brother, you see the huge. You see the huge. Oh God. Let's go. Just position yourself. Ending of the month. If this is one you want to be doing, you do it. Plus the weekly this it's enough for you to settle down with. See the end of September. What happens here? Liquidity grab. It's right from 28. It happens right from 28th of September. A market moves upward. It moves upward. Let's go to August. August. See, ending of August. 31st of August. This 31st of August. Now you see what happened. 1st of December took out the liquidity of 31st of August. What happened? Market comes down. That is huge. That is huge. Even if you are a binary trader, this is the best thing for you. Binary trader. If you enter your expiry this thing, they know you are not using stop loss. You are not using stop loss. So that's the advantage you have over us forex traders. You are not using stop loss. Just put your expiry. I'm revealing this into you. Just put your expiry. So you must go to the rabbi waiting they call themselves for that binary. If it is touch and no touch, or higher and low, or higher and low, all those strategies. Enough. You can imagine how many points you must have gotten there. And your expiry day it could be 3 days, it could be, just allow it to be going. Every day you are checking it, it's moving. You only stake, you only know the amount you stake. You don't need to put stop loss in binary. I'm not saying I'm the hand, but you that love binary, this is the best trading formula for you. Don't let people going to collect money from you, signal for binary and signal, quick signal. You are paying signal, and at the end of the day, I don't know. It's no signal has never favored me in my life. Never favored me. So ending of the, you will see, we'll get to the end of January this year. You will see what happens. The consistency behind this thing. This is end of July. This is end of July. What happens here? End of July, grab out the liquidity pool of this low of 30. On the 1st of August, market moves upward because market was going upward as previous this thing. Now, what of June? Go to June. Let's see what happens on June. Ending of June. See ending of June. See ending of June. Liquidity grab. Can you see it? Liquidity grab. Shoot. Market moves upward. Can you see that? Then talk of April. End of April, my brother. Oh God. I love this. I love this. I love this. See it now. See it here. Market was moving upward. Coming to the ending of May, 29th of May. See it this Sunday stroke Monday. Market liquidity grab. Liquidity grab. Liquidity grab. And market comes down. Let's go to the end of April. End of April. See it, liquidity grab. End of April here. This Friday. End of April. Liquidity grab. The market moves upward. It moves upward. Let's go to March. Ending of March. Oh God, this is serious. This is huge. This is huge. This is huge. So ending of the month, position yourself. Ending of every month, position yourself. Position yourself. That is March. For March, we talk about February. Let's go to February. I am confident of it. That is why that is why I don't know next year what will happen. It's gonna be business strictly for business. See end of February. Liquidity grab. End of February. And market moves. After the liquidity grab, you see the pullback. There must be you must wait. I told you, go to a lower time frame to enter your DC so that you can beat down the brokers DC. You are not going to use higher DC anymore. So this is 30th of January, my brother. Are you there? See what I'm seeing here. 31 of January. See what happens here. It take out the liquidity of the DC. It pulls down. My God, I don't know. Liquidity grab. All you just need to do is just to position yourself. So that is the same thing. If you happen to be pounds DC, in fact, those ones are the most regular because they don't pull much like a good, but it's most regular with pounds. See pounds. See pounds, Swiss francs here. See pounds, Swiss francs. So this is Friday. This is Monday. See it? This is Friday. This Monday, it comes down. Market comes down till the end of Friday. Next one, it comes down. Can you see I'm just showing you the consistency behind it first. You get the point. See it here. See this place. It pull like both ways. You've made your money both ways. You take out the liquidity of this on Tuesday of this place. After the Monday make the equal lows here, it went upward. Then this place was trailed out, and market moves down. That is the thing. I've shown you this thing. I'm not know why I've shown you the Cosmodo this thing the other time. I've shown you the Cosmodo stuff. So I'm going to leave rooms for question and answers. I'm going to leave room for question and answers. So those are the pattern we use. In VIP, in our VIP class. You can see this one last week of this thing on gold. You can see here. You can see here what we take. See that step index. See what happened on step index. Where's step index? This step index. See it. This 1 minute. Can you see it? We got almost about 22 point something, and it still dive down so low. So low. So it happens all markets. In all market, volatility 75 is there. Volatility 75. Yeah, this is volatility 75. Can you see it? So huge. You know, volatility 75 is highly volatile, but it doesn't fail. It's hardly fail. It hardly fails. So you must position yourself. You must get the pattern. So I want you to just use this concept, grab little thing you can grab, come down to VIP class. Let's do more. Let's do more. So that is for the present sell on this thing on gold. We got almost about 513 pips on that day, on that single day. See this head and shoulder here. You know, after the manipulation, we get head and shoulder, liquidity grab, you know, and our profit, our risk is just 3 pips there. 3 pips or 4 pips or 4 pips, according to your own NDC. So that double line indicates a sell. You see Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, this Friday, this Thursday. Yeah. So this is a QML. It engulfs this. So that is that for AMD. That is that for AMD. So I'm going to leave room for us to ask questions. So we're going to ask questions. So I'm going to unmute so we can ask our questions. How do you define your take profit level? Yes, that your take profit level depends on what you want. It's individual, you understand? But at least, see, let me tell you something here. You have to be what? You have to be smarter enough. So each person's take profit, if everybody cannot be, I cannot give you a fixed take profit. What I can take is different from what you can take. You understand the point? You are not going to be the greedy type. That 530 pips I show to you. If you can take even 10% of it, you are okay. For just every week, you just once every week. My brothers, this is the let me show you. Your first take profit can be, it could be ratio. In this ratio, it could be different according to your account size and according to the market you are trading. Like for me, gold, I don't take less than my destiny happens to be like this. First take profit will go like this. First take profit adds 1 ratio, risk reward ratio 10, or if you happen to be gold, I can go for this. So that means for every one pip, for every $1 I'm staking in my accounts, I'm expecting to get 15 reward. Can you see that? 15 reward. Like that gold I showed to you that make 153 in the first under 1 minute chart. So that's if you reach just 3 pips in your account, I mean, you've gotten 153. You can imagine that last day of that first on Monday on gold. You can imagine that 513 pips. I'm not saying it's possible you grab all. Don't be too greedy. Don't be too greedy. Please be moderate in your taking profits. Be moderate. So you can set up In that this thing, you can set up in that Fibonacci this thing I've shown to you. You can set up many position like gold now. You can set up gold. I don't know the size of your account you are going to be using. You can set it up like this 0.02. You understand? So that at the end of the day, you don't use more than, you still maintain that 2% money management rules. You can set it up like this. If you are not seeing my chart, please let me know. If you are not seeing my chart, you can set it up like this so that you are scaling out of, so that when one hits the take profit, your take profit of 15R, you circle out so that your risk is reduced. You take profit, you play smarter than any other person. So you leave the rest, you can be trailing the rest positions. For gold, please, if you have your lower account or like maybe $100, $50, please, gold is highly volatile. That's why I say you should use 1 minute. Yes. So, and this is the business of probability. This 1 minute, this ratio, this thing, if you lose your first trade, that's 3 pips. That's 3 pips. That is, if you use 0.01, you can imagine what you get. What you lose. It's not up to $1. Yeah. Even if you decide to use $3 there, you lose $3, you still hold on because you are still going to get a pullback. You are still going to get a pullback. It's possible. It's possible. Market must still pull back. You wait for it so you can circle out. So out of 10 trade, if you out of 10 trades, you loss equals maybe 3 trades. Sorry, let's say you have, because you are using almost about, let's say your rate of winning this thing is maybe like 60%. Out of 10 trades, let's say for example you lose 6 trades, right? 6 losses. So and you use 3 pips. So 3 times 6, what does that give you? 18 pips. You can imagine. And your take profit is 15 pips. Your first take profit, right, is 15 pips. Now you get a win of 4 wins. You have four trades, abi 4 wins. 4 trades that gives you winning trade, right? So 15 times 15 pips times 4. That's what? That is a 15 pips times 4. That is 60. That's 60 pips. So minus 60 from 18 of your loss. At the end of the day, you get 42. Is that not is it a best trade? You get 42. At the end of the month, my brother, your this thing will be above 70%. Your return on investment. 42, you are getting 42. If that is how it works out for you, 42, you are still the best this thing. That's times 20 days. 20 days of your trading. If you are trading on currencies, 42 times 20, what does that give you? What does that give you? That is $840. $840. My brother, in this economy, when the this thing is high, dollar rate is high, 475 or thereabout, times 475 naira. Let's check if this investment is worthwhile or not, so that you don't have to worry about, as long as you maintain your trading plan. the probability will work out for you. It's people that say you don't want to lose, you don't make anything. You always afraid of can you come? I've gotten one, I've got one loss. You just you give up. The next trade could be the one that will blast out all the losses. You don't know. So don't allow, be inspired within so that you don't inspire outside. Don't allow one loss to pull you down. That's why I say you should not use many this thing, at least 5 pips. Go down to 1 minute so that it will work out for you well. The probability will work out for you well. 475. That's 399,000 in a month, in 20 days. And I'm very sure you are going to get more than this. This is just an estimated, this is the minimum you can get. It's just the minimum. Because of what? Because of the consistency of the pattern. It must fall. If you miss out one, if you miss out the second, the rest one will put you in a higher probability. You grab the point now. So that's who is the person that's asking for what level of take profit. It depends on your your account size, then your risk profile, what you can take. Me, I be risk appetite. I'm aggressive. I'm a scalper. I'm emotional trader. I'm emotional trader. When I say I'm emotional trader, I don't know how to hold my trade till the end of the week or the end of the month. I want to circle in, circle out. So I mean, open this position like 5 like this. When one hits that first take profit, I take it out. I've made more profit. I'm not having any risk here. It's risk free for me. Even if the rest one go to you do not pull it doesn't pull to the end as expected. I'm still okay. You understand this now? I'm still okay. Yeah, I'm still okay. So days in week out, I've grabbed my DC. So any other questions? I believe I've unmuted you guys.
Well, hello, sir.
Hello. I'm hearing you.
This is Cypex. Okay.
Type it.
Thanks for the Yes, thanks for the lectures, and
We
it
thank you.
does brought. Yeah. Okay. I just want to ask a few questions. One,
Okay.
will this your presentation slide will it be available for us to go through? That is one.
Yeah,
Then
I'm
I
recording it.
was thinking. Okay. Okay. It's
I'm
fine.
recording it.
It's fine. Okay.
But
The
you
recording
grab.
is.
Hope you grab the concept.
Yeah, I was able to grab the concept because I understand head and shoulder pattern. So is it that one that's what you call Quasimodo, Quasimodo,
Cosmodo. Sabe,
Quasimodo? Is it one we see the head and shoulder pattern? Then
you will DM me private. I've been chatting with you since. Because
yes.
you see, I cannot dedicate 100%. I mean, let me not lie to you. You understand? It took me. Is my VIP used to you understand what I know, what I will be going through, sleepless night, sometimes 3 days I didn't sleep. You get the point, to make sure that I refine this thing
Okay.
that I'm no longer using. I want to eradicate. I want to eradicate. Indicator. The use of indicator. I want to make all my this trading plan to be simple as ABC. So anybody that grab it, can quickly. You understand? Everybody that get hold of it
I understand.
can quickly grab the concept and utilize it within a shortest period of time. Like I'm giving all my new students from next year 30 days money back guarantee. If you pay for my class and you are not satisfied, at the end of 30 days you don't have results, call me, bros, I beg, I need my money, no question asked. Report me to any forum that I have here. You understand? Blacklist me, whatever you want to give reasons, give your genuine reason. I'm confident of it. It's not by pride. It's not pride. It's what God has revealed to us to make sure that it has cancelled out every past losses. This is the best formula so far. This is the best formula. So you are not going to use your higher account that they say until I get $100. No, even if you have $10, $20, you can see trade. Days are gone that way people are looking for this thing. Days are gone. So I will soon be out. So those are the things. If you have inquiry after the class, you can see private chat me. We'll rub mind together, see what we can do together. You can private chat me. But please, the way I explained it to you, go and practice it. First of all, look at your charts. All those currency, like let me list them first. Let me list part of the currency you will look out for. The instruments you look out for. Volatility index. They are superb on this thing. Quasimodo, maybe we still go to run extra time. This only AMD first. We still go to run extra time on Quasimodo. You understand? I just give you this AMD so that AMD will position you that so day. You are looking at so day that market will possibly give you the biggest turn. Friday, Monday, ending of month. I'll show you ending of every month on gold, pounds, gold and pounds. Watch out for gold. Under currency, watch out for commodity. Watch out for gold. Watch out for under currency, pounds pairs, especially all these pounds, New Zealand, those ones that are moving higher. You get the point? So, first of all, target on those ones first. I need a currency that will move at a day, 2 days. See what gold is pulling. I need those instruments so that I can quickly grab my this and go out. You get the point now. So look out for all those pounds pairs. Then this is another currency again that is doing miracles. USD, Euro, ZAD, South Africa Rand. These two currencies, my brother, is superb. Then Euro, New Zealand is another powerful currency that is stable and volatile. Those are your this. Then in this synthetic indices for under binary platform, your first focus is VV75, then step index. Don't be afraid of them. As long as you are maintaining that low risk, the probability will always work out for you. Yes, don't be afraid that they are too high level, they are highly volatile. And don't shake the people that are doing that, they don't have to. You can use your Cosmodo, you can use your Doji sandwich always come after a liquidity grab. Doji sandwich, go and study that manual. Doji sandwich always come up at each level of volatile liquidity grab, because it's a continuation pattern and it's so regular in the market. And let me give you the final bonus. I will give you the final bonus. Stay behind, maybe a little. So step index, you can talk of step index, then you can talk of those other ones, all those slow ones. So those are the things then you can talk of US 100 index, or US 30 index. But I still prefer US 100, US 30. That's NASDAQ. So those are the currency you can target. You don't need to trade every. Look at those currencies that will give you your good, that give results immediately, immediate results. You are out. So guys, that is just this thing. Now, another thing I want to show to you again. Maybe at time I will not permit. Okay, let's run extra class for that. We call it inside candle. It's still under the doji sandwich. You will see a candle like this. Then it will make a low range. This week, it will give you something like this. Then there will be a week at both sides. I'm giving you first hand information. You will see it in all the charts. Now, another ones will now maybe like like this. Like this. As long as this low range bar, this narrow range bar, right? As long as it does not go outside the previous this thing, that is a liquidity grab. Yeah, that's a liquidity grab. Here, can you see it? As long as this place does not move outside the range of the mother candle, this one is the mother candle. Then, as long as this one doesn't move down to the law of this thing, the next candle blast upward. It follow that direction. It follow that direction. That is one powerful. Another pattern. Those are so many patterns you can be using to get something in the market. You can use daily charts. You can use daily charts. You can use daily charts. Let's see a range here. Let's see in gold, in gold, in gold. Just look out for a see this one. See this one. This is it here. See it here. See it. It doesn't go outside this. It doesn't go outside this. What happened? Market go up. It pulls back inside again. Can you see it? Doji sandwich. It pulls back inside and it blasts upward. See, you see what I'm showing you? Exactly what I've just shown you. This is what happened here. So it's regular in the market. It's regular. See it here. See it here. See it here. So please, just all those are patterns that are regular and they make wave. See it here. See it here. This low range, too low range. It doesn't go. No, none of them go outside the range of this previous. This. Yeah. See this one. Hmm? So that is the those are the things. See this one. See it. See this range. It doesn't go above. It doesn't come down below. And price blast upward it. Can you see it? And it went up. Not this, oh, not this. This is different thing. It's a different sun. Don't use. I'm talking of a low range bar that does not move. The wick does not move outside the range of the, like this one. See, like this one now. See this one. This is what I'm talking about. It doesn't go outside the range of this one, and what happens there? It moves upward. Low range bar. I call it low range bar. See this one. See it here. See it here. Those are the this liquid. They are liquidity. They are what they call some people call imbalance price action. Price move out of balance. You know, this range is a balance point, equilibrium point. Price move out of it. That's imbalance. But I don't know whatever name they call it. So far, what I know is it's a low range bar inside the range with they are contained within the range of the first bar. That's all. So any other questions? I'm going to go out. Any other questions? Any other questions? Any other thing you want to know? Please just chat me up. Just chat me up. Chat me up. My time is up. So I will post the video. I will post the video on the platform. I'll post the video on the platform. Please make good use of it. Make good use of it. Don't be afraid. Don't get in the fear of unknown. Don't let it rob your inheritance. Like the Bible says, the heaven as the Lord, but the earth he has given to us. The market, including what is in the earth, market, he has given to us as inheritance. So we are still holding back. You understand the point? Some people are saying it's against religion. You are still holding back. Pull back on 1 minute happens more than once. At you are now. You see what I'm saying? You hope you two will witness it. How do we pay the right entry? That right entry I'll show you now. But if you want the details, come to VIP class. If you want more, I don't use more pattern. I use so many patterns. If you see the pullback, you can see Fibonacci at the leg of Fibonacci. I will call you. So you can see pin bar, you can see different, there are some specific high probability candlestick pattern that when they bounce at the leg of Fibonacci or at the leg of that pullback, price must respect it. Can you show us AMD on volatility chart? Volatility, yes. Yeah. Or Fashola, I will show you. I will show you. Especially this V75. My brother. They say they spend money